check your ramekins for this one. We're making an 8-incher. That'll make a fella jealous.
Jesse, where do you come up with these things?
Putting your cream cheese bricks and eggs into a bowl of warm water is the safest way to bring them to room temperature. It only takes like 10 minutes. And your water should be the temperature of your dishwater. Anything hotter is gonna cook them. Matter of fact, add your sweetened condensed milk can to your bowl too. It'll pour right on out. You'll see in a little bit. First, we're going to caramelize some sugar. Caramelize? We can burn that very, very easily. I love burning things. Oops. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and place a roasting pan of hot water in the center. Now we caramelize the sugar. In your favorite saucepan, add 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. You only need to mix it a little bit. We brush the sides of the pan with water. It's like insurance against the sugar crystallizing. That one time you think you don't need it is the one time it happens, and you have to clean up and start all over again. Just stir it enough to help the sugar dissolve, and then we stare at it and wait. It takes forever, so we switch to the big burner. Colors start to happen just after 200 degrees. Swirl it around to get a nice, even golden brown. Just a little bit more. There, that looks good. Pour it into the bottom of your cake pan and swirl it around to the edges to get it all even. It hardens up really fast. Time to add a little fire to this sweet treat. Let's see how they like a spicy surprise. Oh, the flavors of chaos. A dash of heat. A touch of spice. And a ruined dessert will suffice. By flame and heat, by spice and burn, turn this cheesecake, let flavors churn. Let sweetness vanish, let heat prevail. Make this dessert a fiery tale. Our cream cheese should be at room temperature by now.
Here, see?
Beat your cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. This is what room temperature cream cheese looks like after it's beaten. We like to scrape down the bowl at each step. It helps us find those hiding lumps, and it'll be hard to get rid of them later. Then add in your 5 eggs, one at a time, and scrape the bowl down after each one. It's kind of like going fishing for lumps. Lumps like to hang out on the beater too, so look there. Add in your can of sweetened condensed milk and see how lovely it just flows right on in. And your can of evaporated milk.
Shake well.
Eureka! This will do it. Now to sneak in there. Pour it into your pan over top the hardened sugar syrup. Place it right into your hot water bath. Why do they call it a hot water bath? It's not like it's gonna shampoo or anything. Make sure you add hot water to bring it halfway up your pan if you need to. I hear something dastardly going on. I need to go investigate. No, you don't, you dastardly villain! Here, Frieder, use my little shrinky dinky. It's full of cold water. Look how wonderful it turned out. I could.
Don't you think of it. Don't even jump in.
First, run a small spatula around the edge. Place your pan in a bowl of boiling water for 3 minutes and flip it out onto your serving dish. That didn't work too well for us, so we put it on a burner on low for 1 minute.
There it is. That's what it needed.
That melted the sugar syrup and freed the bottom. See? When it's falling down the pan, you can actually hear the slurping burping as the flan sucks air in. Yay! Yay! Subscribe to our channel